video-based learning requires new note-taking solutions. In this, MoocNote tries to help. Import the video you want to annotate. To do so, simply copy the YouTube video URL into the input field in the header. You can also use the Add Video button and paste the link into the pop-up window. A preview page will then appear showing the details of the video. Here you can change the name and description of the video. For good organization, all videos should be part of a collection. Select an existing collection or enter a new one. Click the Import button to import the video into MoocNote. It is important to note that the video itself is not copied, but only the metadata is stored. Once the import is complete, you can watch the video and start taking notes. Just click on the video preview image to play it. Start typing where you want and the video will pause automatically. Feel free to copy text from the video, underline, or frame the interesting parts. Save the note. The video will resume automatically. Please note, managing video screenshots requires a premium account and the MoocNote browser extension. You can find your notes on the left under the Notes tab. Later, when you want to review the video, you will find all your previous notes under the Notes menu. Select the appropriate video from the list on the left, then review or download your notes.